and welcome to TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra and I'm delighted to have you with me today. At TNV Academy, our goal is to simplify global standards, sustainability goals and management systems so that everyone from students to professionals can understand how they shape our future. In today's session, we are going to explore a very important and timely topic, ISO 50001 and SDG 7, and how effective energy management can help the world achieve affordable and clean energy. Energy affects every part of our lives, our homes, our workplaces, our health, and our environment. Yet, energy is often wasted due to poor planning and lack of awareness. Through this session, we will understand how ISO 50001 helps organizations manage energy wisely and how this directly supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 7. So stay with me as we break down complex ideas into simple explanations, real-world understanding, and practical insights. Let's begin this journey toward a more energy-efficient and sustainable future right here on TNV Academy. Understanding SDG 7, affordable and clean energy for all. SDG 7 focuses on three key goals: providing universal access to electricity, increasing the use of renewable energy, and improving energy efficiency worldwide. Millions of people still live without electricity, while many others pay high energy costs that affect their quality of life. At the same time, dependence on fossil fuels increases pollution and climate risk. SDG 7 recognizes that clean energy alone is not enough. Energy must also be affordable and used efficiently to support long-term development. Now, the global energy challenge: waste and inefficiency. One of the biggest energy problems today is not lack of supply, but waste. Buildings lose energy due to poor design. Machines operate inefficiently, outdated equipment consumes excessive power, and energy is often used without monitoring. This waste increases energy bills and environmental damage. Even renewable energy becomes expensive if it is wasted. Improving energy efficiency is the fastest, cheapest, and most practical way to achieve SDG 7, and this is where ISO 50001 plays a crucial role. Now, what is ISO 50001 in simple and practical terms? ISO 50001 is an international standard for energy management systems. In simple words, it helps organizations understand how energy is used, where it is wasted, and how performance can be improved. It provides a structured method to control energy consumption, just like quality, safety, or finance. ISO 50001 can be implemented by industries, offices, hospitals, schools, data centers, and government organizations, regardless of size or sector. Before ISO 50001, many organizations tried to save energy through isolated projects, such as replacing lights or machines. These efforts often failed over time because there was no system to maintain improvements. ISO 50001 was introduced to create a continuous, data-driven approach to energy management. Instead of one-time actions, it focuses on long-term improvement supported by leadership, planning, monitoring, and review. Now, energy management as a strategic business decision. ISO 50001 treats energy as a strategic resource rather than a fixed cost. Energy decisions affect profitability, competitiveness, and sustainability. By integrating energy management into business planning, organizations reduce operational risk, control cost, and align with environmental goals. This strategic approach makes energy efficiency part of organizational culture, not just a technical activity. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle in energy management. ISO 50001 follows the Plan, Do, Check, Act, that is PDCA model. Organizations first plan by conducting energy reviews to identify major energy-consuming processes and equipment. They then set energy objectives, targets, and action plans. During the Do phase, technical and operational improvements are implemented. The Check phase involves monitoring, measuring, and analyzing energy performance using data and indicators. Finally, in the act phase, management reviews results and makes decisions for continual improvement. Now, identifying significant energy uses. A key requirement of ISO 50001 is identifying significant energy uses, which are processes or equipment that consume large amounts of energy or offer high potential for improvement. Now, energy performance indicators and data-based decisions. ISO 50001 requires organizations to establish energy performance indicators. These indicators help measure how efficiently energy is being used. Data-driven decisions replace guesswork. When energy performance is tracked regularly, organizations can quickly identify deviations, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. Then we have leadership commitment and energy culture. Leadership commitment is essential in ISO 50001. Top management must support energy objectives, provide resources, and integrate energy performance into business strategy. When leaders show commitment, employees become more aware and responsible about energy use. Over time, this creates a strong energy-conscious culture where saving energy becomes a shared responsibility. Now, training, awareness, and employee involvement. Energy management cannot succeed without people. ISO 50001 emphasizes training and awareness at all levels. Employees learn how their daily actions affect energy use and how simple changes can create large savings. When people understand the purpose behind energy management, participation increases and resistance reduces. Technology, innovation, and clean energy integration. ISO 50001 supports the use of energy-efficient technologies and renewable energy sources. When organizations clearly understand their energy patterns, they can effectively integrate solar, wind, biomass, or waste heat recovery solutions. Energy management ensures that clean energy investments deliver maximum benefit and remain cost-effective. Now, how ISO 50001 supports SDG 7 directly? ISO 50001 directly contributes to SDG 7 by reducing overall energy demand, lowering energy cost, and improving efficiency. When energy demand decreases, pressure on energy supply systems reduces, making energy more affordable for everyone. Efficient energy use also supports the transition to clean energy and reduces dependence on fossil fuels. Now we have the economic benefits of energy management systems. Organizations implementing ISO 50001 often experience significant cost savings through reduced energy consumption. These savings improve financial performance and can be reinvested into innovation, expansion, or employee development. Affordable energy strengthens business competitiveness and supports economic growth at national and global levels. Now we have environmental and climate benefits. Lower energy consumption directly reduces greenhouse gas emissions. ISO 50001 supports climate action by addressing emissions at the source. When thousands of organizations improve energy efficiency, the combined impact on climate protection is substantial. Clean energy combined with efficient use accelerates sustainability goals. Now we have the social benefits. Reliable energy for communities. Affordable and reliable energy improves quality of life. Hospitals operate safely, schools function efficiently, and businesses grow. Energy efficiency reduces strain on national grids, lowers power shortages, and supports a stable development. ISO 50001 indirectly contributes to social well-being by strengthening energy systems. Now let's discuss about the common challenges in implementing ISO 50001. Organizations may face challenges such as lack of awareness, limited expertise, initial investment concerns, and resistance to change. However, these challenges decrease as benefits become visible. Training, leadership, involvement, and continuous monitoring help overcome these barriers. Now, ISO 50001 is suitable for all organizations. ISO 50001 is not limited to large industries. small and medium-sized organizations also benefit because energy costs form a significant portion of their expenses. The standard is flexible and scalable, allowing organizations to implement it according to their size and complexity. Now, energy management as a global solution. Energy problems cannot be solved by production alone. Managing energy demand is equally important. ISO 50001 addresses the demand side by promoting responsible energy use. When organizations worldwide adopt energy management systems, global energy systems become cleaner, more affordable, and more reliable. Can ISO 50001 help achieve SDG 7? Yes, ISO 50001 plays a critical role in achieving SDG 7. It transforms energy from an uncontrolled expense into a managed resource. By reducing waste, lowering costs, supporting clean energy, and protecting the environment, ISO 50001 provides a practical roadmap for affordable and clean energy. Affordable and clean energy does not begin only at power plants or solar farms. It begins inside organizations that choose efficiency, discipline, and responsibility. ISO 50001 turns energy management into a powerful tool for building a sustainable future. That is all about today's session. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. If this video helped you, then like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative content. Thanks for watching.